When Chris Chan get out of jail, I'm gonna introduce him to some black guys who will love to fuck him in the ass as long as he give up that damn SSI money. You see, all Chris Chan needed from day one was a good black man, not me, but he needed a good black man to take advantage of him, take his money, and treat him like the woman that he really want to be. Yes, Chris Chan. You wanna dress up and be Christina? Well, I know lots of black guys who would have been turned your ass out and had you on the host roll. That's all you fucking needed, man. And I heard that rap song that Trey 963 did, "This a Nature Boy." I'ma say this like I said about R. Kelly. All y'all women and men, y'all knew Nature Boy was a freak. No one told y'all to go over there and fuck him and suck his dick and give him your food stamps and your damn money, all your EBT and debit. Y'all went over there and fucked that man and got mad because you ain't find the truth. Or maybe you did find out the damn truth within yourselves. The truth is, y'all freaks. That's it. And Nature Boy just exploited y'all. Okay, you wanna be a hoe? I'ma treat you like a damn hoe. And then what Nature Boy did all y'all women. Okay, he beat them, slapped y'all, degraded y'all on the internet, but hey, y'all stayed more than once. Y'all put up with it. So you knew he was a freak. You knew Nature Boy went both ways or all ways. You knew he was psychotic, and y'all still fucked him, sucked his dick, did all with him. So don't get mad now with this one. I bet y'all still want that dick. Everybody who fucked Nature Boy want that damn dick. They miss that dick. Y'all miss them damn orgies. And y'all have y'all upset cause y'all can't get to that dick no more.